Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, an information technology learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to schedule Windows 10 shutdown and start up automatically. It's a very important issue, so don't forget to watch full video. Whether you are a freelancer who works at home in their dressing gown or a startup business owner who wants to make sure everything's up and running as soon as you arrive in the office, there are a myriad of reasons to automate the startup and shutdown of Windows 10. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use task scheduler and your BIOS to get Windows turning on and off at the exact time you want, so that it's ready when you sit down at your computer and shut down at the end of the day. Okay, first of all, I'm going to show you how to make a schedule for automated shutdown at a scheduled time. Click on search bar, type task schedule, click on task scheduler, task scheduler has been opened. Now click on create basic task, give a name. I am giving the name auto shutdown. You can give a description if you wish. I am just leaving it. Click on next. In trigger tab you will find many options, that is, when do you want the task to start, daily or weekly or monthly or one time, and many things. I just want to run this task daily, and daily is by default selected. Now click on next. This is the start date. By default Windows show the current date here. Okay, I'm not going to change it. And in the time schedule I'm going to set the time, that is at 9 a.m. morning. Okay, I have set hour 9, minute 0, and second also 0, and AM. Now click on next. Action. The action is start a program, and this option is by default selected. Now click on next. Start a program. Which program will be started, you have to select here. Click on browse. Click on C drive, that is local drive. Click on Windows. Scroll down. Double click on System 32. In System 32, type here shutdown. Look, I have to select shutdown.exe, and now click on open. In add argument option, type /s. This option will specify the shutdown. Now click on next. Now check open the properties dialog for this task when I click finish. Okay, click on finish. The property dialog has been opened. Look, run only when user is logged on, and it is by default selected. And the second option is run whether user is logged on or not. I have to select this option. Now click on triggers. The date time has been set. Click on action. Program that will start is selected here. Now click on conditions. In condition dialog box, click on hook the computer to run this task. Now click on settings. Click on run task as soon as possible after a schedule start is missed. And then click on if the task fails, restart every 5 minutes. Now uncheck stop the task if it runs longer than. Uncheck this option and keep checked if the running task does not end when requested. Force it to stop. Okay, now click on OK. You have to give your administrative privilege here. Okay, now click on task scheduler library. Look, this is your auto shutdown task and status is ready. Triggers at 9 a.m. every day. Okay, now shutdown schedule has been created. Close the task scheduler. Now I am going to show you how to make a schedule for automatic start your computer, and I have to configure it from BIOS setup. Now shut down the computer. Now I am going to show you a startup schedule for HP computer. Press power button. Now continuously press on F10 until the BIOS is opening. Look, the BIOS has been opened. Now press on cancel. Now click on advanced tab. Now click on schedule power on. You can select the days for which days you want to make your computer automatic startup. Now click on hour. Select the hours. In my case, I am selecting 8. That means 8 a.m. morning. Now click on accept or hit enter to accept. Now select minute. I am going to select 30 minutes. That means 8:30 a.m. Now select accept. Now again press F10. to save change and click on yes. না This is the automated startup schedule for HP computer. Now I am going to show you automated startup schedule for Dell computer. Continuously press F2 until BIOS is open. Look, my BIOS has been opened. Click on Power Management. Click on plus icon. Click on Auto on Time. Here you can select the startup schedule. By default, every day is set. Now click on Apply and Exit. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.